So is today's bounce just a bit of a buy the dip moment, or can we expect more sustained strength, Guy?
Yeah, I don't know if it's a buy the dip moment. I think it's sort of the chase moment. When the VIX is still north of 30 despite today's rally, it suggests that, these rallies are going to be sort of exaggerated and the sell-offs will be the same. So I think today is exactly that. I think it's what you get in a 30 VIX environment. I don't think we're getting out of this 30 VIX environment anytime soon. I think it will continue to go up. And I think rallies, and we've said this, are going to be short-lived. Nothing changed from yesterday until today other than the fact that the market went up.
Yeah, I mean, we had those comments from Scott Bessent, the Treasury Secretary, made behind closed doors at an investor summit, saying essentially that the trade embargo between China and the U.S. should end shortly, or to that effect, that it's unsustainable to have this sort of standoff go on for much longer, which was seen as very positive. And we did see the reaction. The ground was laid for some sort of a bounce, but that really fueled us.
Well, if you think about the pragmatism of any negotiation, I mean, both parties have places they want to go, and both parties have tended to overreach before they at least begin to get in the trenches and negotiate. As folks in the diplomatic corps will always say, it's better when you're talking than not talking at all, even if you're yelling at each other. And I think that's kind of where markets are. What's interesting from the market's perspective is the stuff that really outperformed today. There were some of the more oversold names, which obviously had disproportionate bounces. But semiconductors were not the place where you really saw outperformance. And if I look at the SMH or I look at the SOX, I can see it was up about 210 basis points, and I can see that the S&P was up 2.5. And as we talk about the other 493 stocks outside of the Mag 7, they're the ones that, first of all, if you're looking at your portfolio, folks, those are the ones that have actually hung in there okay. So today was a day I think we were just oversold. I agree with Guy's call on both what you get within this type of a market environment and a VIX at 30. I just think sentiment is so poor. So many people have switched to recession as the base case. And as we're having and will have more of during earnings season, and I bet even tonight, what is that multiple for the S&P? I bet it's a lot lower than what you've known for the last few years.
Tim mentioned semis underperforming the markets, underperforming the NASDAQ 100. NVIDIA also underperforming the semis. Which is a bad sign.
I think people are full up on these names if they haven't been selling so far. I think the fundamental stories are not particularly great. I think we're going to talk a little bit about Amazon and some of the digestion that we're seeing on the CapEx spending. Obviously, that's a problem for NVIDIA. But if you're seeing CapEx spend being cut by Amazon and Microsoft and Google, that means that there's probably not a lot of demand for the products and the services that they're trying to roll out right now. I'll just say this about the market. Yes, sentiment's really bad. I mean, it's really hard to find, I said this last night, to find too many comments out there that could really kind of make you feel better about, suggesting that this trade war is going to be done sooner than expected. But today's rally, 2.5%, getting back yesterday, it's not particularly impressive. And if you look at the chart, the S&P 500, it looks like a blip in the sort of volatility bands that we've been in. I guess I'd focus more on the fact that the 10-year U.S. Treasury yield is at 4.4%. It basically hasn't budged. The U.S. dollar, which is more oversold than probably any other risk asset on the planet, barely bounced today. You know what I mean? So those are the things that I'd probably focus on. And without much reaction to the commentary we heard out of Bessent, and those two, I'm not feeling so confident about stocks.
So a silver lining.